purge valve replacement, 21 Camry. Fairly simple step. You got a 10mm bolt there. We've got a connector here. You'll have to push in the tab. I believe it's right over here, and unplug. You take your fingers, pull this, or take some pliers, squeeze it together, pull this clamp back, and you just pull the hoses. I like to twist while pulling out on the hoses. Alright, so I flip it off. So you got this hose that goes towards the throttle body. You got this hose here that goes towards the back of the engine. This is the new part number. To install, first procedure, jab it, it'll line up into this hole here. You're going to put your 10mm back on, put your hoses back in place, and your electrical connector. There you go, put the connector on, push it in until you hear that click sound. So I got all my hoses on. This one here doesn't have a clamp, not supposed to. That hose ran all the way to the back, mine there. This hose here, all the way to the intake manifold. So now after you do that, get a new one installed, start it up, check your fuel trim. That's reading normal on it, shouldn't be adding too much fuel, and it shouldn't be taking away a bunch of fuel. This one here's a 21 Fusion with only I think 1,000 miles on it. So this one here should run where it's adding no fuel at all, if not taking away a little less, or adding just a little bit. So hopefully you'll have to clear the check engine light after you get this installed, because the light will not go off after you install the new one. You'll have to manually clear it. Thanks for watching.